Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of July 2025 for the zodiac sign Aquarius. Please remember this is a general reading, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. And all the other important links are down in the description below, so kindly go check them out there. So let's begin, Aquarius. Let's see what is the energy telling for you guys for the month of July 2025. Okay, this is quite interesting. Okay, so I definitely think that in every aspect, and this is a very strong and clear message that I'm getting, is that in every aspect of your life, somewhere down the line, spirituality is going to play a very important role for you. So I think if at all you are someone who's already into spirituality, who does whatever they feel they that connects them to spirituality, you guys, if you're already doing it, dive deeper into it. And to the people who are not really doing it and are thinking of doing it, it's a beautiful time to get into it now. So yes, that is one thing that I definitely see. Something also tells me is that you guys may actually be you'll be able to see in this duration certain things that you were kind of looking for. Like, it could be answers, it could be certain people's true intentions towards you. Now this can be anything. A lot of times we feel that it's only one way, that is, oh, we get to see that that person doesn't have good intentions for me. Yeah, but you could actually, there could be a possibility that you may even see that some people whom you were doubting are actually your well wishers. So that is also, so all kind of clarity will come in, and you will be able to see all the minute details of things happening around you as well. Some of you could also get you may get face to face with certain realities, certain answers. So I think a lot of it is coming your way from different directions. But all in all of this is going to make you move in a specific direction, which is going to be in your favor. It is going to align with what you want in your life. But yes, especially people who are struggling to find answers to certain things, I feel you guys will be getting deeper into those answers, and you will be getting all your answers in this duration. Let's dive deeper and see what are the other guidance coming for you for the month of July 2025. Okay, Aquarius, you definitely need to move, look forward. You're moving forward, but you're looking behind, maybe into what, has happened into your past. It could be betrayals, it could be the bad events, but it seems that you are too yet fixated on that, and you need to stop doing that. You need to carry your lessons and look forward, look towards the future instead of, I mean, be in the present and look towards the future instead of, walking towards the future and being in the present, physically being in the present, and looking in your past. This is what I see right now you're doing. So you need to just completely release your past, because there is some opportunities that could come your way out of nowhere. Now this could be, again, it could be all of a sudden. Definitely it is in fact all of a sudden, but it could be in different aspects of your life. It could be one, it could be many, but there are opportunities coming out of nowhere. And other than that, there seems to be that a lot of your work, whether it is on your own self or whether it is actual work, but whatever you have been putting effort into, you will even see the fruits of it in the month of July. So while you are wanting to see fruits, you want to see progress and all of it, it's time for you to also see, actually literally see in that direction, instead of again and again going and visiting your past or past experiences. So in terms of your work, I would say that it's time for you to take actions wherever necessary. In certain places you have been inactive, which is why again, things may be feeling too stagnant to you and at times even stressing you out. But it is more about you taking actions and not about, the circumstances or anything. So yes, it will even help you to release your stress. So, be active, start getting more active when it comes to your work related things. You may have to be a little proactive in taking decisions also when it comes to your work. Having said that, if you become that, you do what is necessary, keep doing what is needed in the hour, you will see new beginnings, you will see better things coming your way. Emotionally also you will feel way more sorted. So work is going to be very important for you right now. How you're going to make use of this time in terms of your work, because again, new beginnings, very strong new beginnings are there in terms of work. It could be new project, it could be new job, it could be a new idea, it could be anything but newness, and this newness is here to stay. So if you are going to be proactive in this duration, you will be able to make a lot of good work related stuff for you. Having said that, stay grounded no matter what, and make sure you're even giving your family equal attention, because they are your real strength when it comes to support around your work. In terms of your finance, there is a forward movement, that you're going to be seeing in terms of your finance. So yes, if your finances were stagnant, and things that were a little ugly, or not going as you wanted, there is going to be some movement over here. But you will have to take, again, you have to be a little active, you have to be proactive in this period. Otherwise, yes, again, it's not going to be in your favor. You may not have the best of the results that you could get for this month for yourself. It's very interesting that this is the first time I have ever got, like, I'm doing reading on YouTube past 1 year, and I've never seen such a reading coming for Aquarius. This is the first time coming for Aquarius, such a reading where I have to tell Aquarius that, what, get proactive in every way, especially when it comes to your finance and work, because again, they are kind of, they go hand in hand, right? Hence I would definitely say, and it is in your hand. So if you tell me it's the circumstances, it's the people around, no, it's entirely in your hand. Just that you take the necessary steps, and you can actually change the outcome in your and get it in your favor. In terms of your love, romance, and relationship, I think the interesting part over here is that there is a new life waiting for you when it comes to your love, romance, and relationships. So again, let's talk to singles first. If you are someone who wants to stay single, of course, then it means continue staying single and live your life, live your best life. But if at all you're looking forward to, uh, meet someone, date someone, and so on, I would just say that yes, this is going to be a beautiful time to do that. You may have some breakthroughs, and you may come across some right kind of people also. It's like, a new life is waiting for you if you are willing to embrace that life. If you're willing to let that life come, towards you, you can definitely have it. So ideally, I would even say that if you are someone who believes in manifesting and all of it, this is going to be a period where you may be able to manifest, the kind of person you're looking for. So that is the first thing. Yes, breakthroughs happening, transformation coming into your love life. So hence also I'm saying, if you're open for it, great. What I even see is that some of you will come across someone who takes literal interest in making sure that, the person dresses well, takes care of themselves, of their appearance. They want to be presentable. Maybe it is because of they are work profile also, because they want to make sure that they, dress a certain way. So you could come across a very well dressed person for that matter. Or it could be that you also now onwards will start getting into that space, because again you're going to be out there, meeting people, socializing with people to meet someone of your own, kind of, or the kind of person you're looking for. So that was for the singles. Now coming for the people who are committed. When I say committed, I mean either you are already dating someone, or you are engaged or married. If at all you guys are looking forward to take the next leap of faith for your relationship, this is going to be a beautiful time to do that. Again, in this case, I will definitely say, if you guys are not really taking that step, life will push you to take that step. So be open to whatever is coming, because there is a transformation coming into your life in a positive way. Yes, initially it may feel a little chaotic, because it may be more because you none of you are ready for it. But having said that, it's going to be beautiful. It is going to be really, really in your favor, and things will be really good eventually. But there is a new life awaiting for you guys. So if you guys want to take your relation to the next level, this is going to be the period to do that. Some of you who are actually just, and again, this is very, very interesting that this message has come to me, because no other zodiac ever I say this, but this is something that I'll say, that if at all some of you even fall apart with your partner, for a lot of you it could be so because, either you or either the person was not serious in the relationship, or was taking things for granted, and that is why it doesn't serve any of you anymore, like the both of you. Hence, yes, some of you could have that fallout, and that could be the biggest, uh, you can say, biggest shift in your love life. For some, yes, I would even say very strongly that people, if you're dating someone and if you have had doubts that, maybe this person is, not really there completely with me, or, has their mind somewhere. Doesn't need to be that they're cheating, but they are in doubts maybe, or they got into a relationship at that time having some different agenda, and maybe that person is genuinely toxic for you. That those kind of people, I feel, that are going to walk out of your life. So I don't see that only in terms of romance, but I think even in general, in relationships, all personal relationships, I feel whoever is not having the best intention towards you, I think you will see in July that a lot of people are walking out of your life, or maybe you are, letting them out of your life, either of it. So, but when that happens, remember, this is for, for aligning you with your actual goal, or your actual purpose that you want to achieve for yourself. So, all in all, I would say, do not be impulsive. There could be something that you are thinking for to execute since really long. So, it's time for taking actions. Definitely, yes. There are surely new beginnings for you, and you're going to see success in this duration in many things, especially in anything new that you're going to invest in, whether it is in skill, whether it is in your new relation, whatever it is, you are going to see growth in it. Look at the bigger picture. So yes, maybe it's time for you to look at the bigger picture while you're taking certain decisions for yourself. Again, even when it is like, you're not willing to take any actions and you're being inactive, remind yourself to look at the bigger picture, and that will kind of give you, motivate you enough to, do all the necessary things. Success. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. But yes, you are going to, like I said, do whatever you want to do, you do out of love for it, and you will see success. So, yes, you are going to see success in many ways, in many different directions of your life, is what I see. If you continue doing what you need to do, again, a lot of things happening from every direction. And but still, if you be active, if you look at the bigger picture, success is definitely going to be yours. blue star. Follow the light of your inner compass, the blue star. It will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. I just had mentioned something in the very beginning about is that it will some of you may see truths, some of you may see some interesting things, some things may unfold in front of your eyes. So yes, this is maybe even coming here as well, that it will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. So maybe you could see something. Maybe some of you could even find, where you all were trying to understand what is your purpose of life, purpose of this life. That is maybe, you will get revealed to. Eternity. Give yourself permission to slow down. So yes, make sure that you're giving yourself the permission to slow down wherever necessary, and wherever necessary, be like really, really proactive. So both, you have to have a good balance between all of this. The I am more at ease every day. So yes, you could be more at ease every day is the affirmation that you could be using for the month of July 2025. Maybe that is what you should be attracting while you are, doing or seeing a lot of truth, do a lot of things that may be getting revealed to you. But this could be a good calming affirmation for you in these days. I stand up for what I believe in. So yes, make sure you stand up for what you believe in, is what I would just say over here. Again, it brings me to the beginning of the reading, that when I spoke about when it comes to spirituality as well. So yes, take a stand up for what you believe in. On the other side of the fear lies freedom. Today, I will reject fear and believe that each step I take is a part of my story, and that my journey will liberate me. So yes, again, a very interesting thing is that you will reject fear and believe that each step, so it's each step I take. When I read that bit, that each step that I take, which again brings me to the same thing, that do what you believe in, stand up for what you believe in. This is your journey. You will have to be actively taking certain decisions and so on. So yes, each step you take is a part of your story, and that will, that is your journey that will liberate you. Again, some of you may find it liberated after realizing what is your purpose of this life. So I think, yes, one thing that you guys should definitely focus on is, being bringing clarity to yourself. Some of you, again, this could not be for all of you, but this could be that some of you seem to be confused on a lot of things. So maybe you should try to bring clarity on that front to yourself. One is that, yes, some of you may even see some percent of delay in certain things that you probably are waiting for, in that case. But a lot of clarity is also coming in from every direction, which I think I mentioned in the beginning, that a lot of changes are happening, or maybe you're getting a lot of insights which will help you to bring clarity to yourself. So yes, it's time to bring clarity for yourself. change your life once you change your daily habits, which is true. You will have to be proactive, and you need to make necessary changes. It could be small changes, but small changes in your habits will only lead to the kind of change that you're looking forward to. Once you start believing in yourself, your dreams take shape. Martina Navratilova. So the thing is that yes, once you start believing in yourself, so make sure you believe in yourself and your dreams. That's when it will take shape. The thing that you want, that's when you will be able to achieve. I have the courage to face any challenge. Yes, you need to be courageous, is what I would say in this duration. Again, to take stand, or stand up for what you believe in, you will have to be courageous. So yes, this could be a good affirmation to keep you going in this period. No. So, yes, say yes to what you believe in, say no to what you don't believe in, what doesn't align with yourself. So, say no wherever necessary. Do not hesitate in saying no to certain things. Maybe again, certain answers may reveal to you, certain insights may come to you post that you may want to start learning to say no, because some of you maybe are habituated to not, comfortably say no, or some of you just can't say no to a lot of things which you know are not right for you, which you know you don't even want to do or say, but you've been giving into certain things. So now it's going to be time for that kind of a shift within you. Learn to say no for sure. I think one good thing to practice would be that for you. Make it a goal for the July 2025. Let's see what is the empowering message that's coming for you for the month of July 2025. Be your best. Arise as your best self. Take a moment to recognize that you have always been doing the best you can. Once you see this in yourself, it will be easier to see it in others. So make sure you be the best version of yourself for yourself. That's when you are actually being true to yourself, and that kind of a truth that you would want people to see and accept about you will only happen when you are going to be your best self. So I hope you do resonate with this reading, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next reading. Bye bye.